Number 10. Initiate the scan. Looking at the strata. Looking at the strata. What is that? We have a structural failure in Sector 4. The main support column is cracking. The main costs are spiraling out of control. Skipping treatment lies hidden under concrete, but termites will find a way in. Termites are a hidden threat. They crawl through concrete cracks to destroy your property. Protect your home before it's too late. Analyzing heavy load points. Load points stabilized. Taking the same load. Let us review. Initial mix strength under standard conditions. Stalling at 50% capacity. Initiating water curing process. Achieving full capacity strength.
Efficiency demands space. We must expand the production line. Safety cannot compromise output.
We must plan for scalability. This system absorbs growth smoothly. All fire lines must be perfectly sealed. Critical hairline fracture detected. Alert, critical failure. We have a leak in the electrical room. Pressure is now stabilizing. System check complete. We must push the boundaries of design. Precision core drilling through supports, securing heavy pipe racks to columns. Disrupted load flows create stress. Our engineered installations fix this. Notice the stress lines turn red. Correct mounting restores calm amber flow. Then we go deep underground, setting the foundation for what is to come. Watch as the core takes shape. Day 20 is complete. Revealing hidden critical defects. All parameters must be verified. Initiating final data archive. System check completed and secure. We have a deal then.
Absolutely, let's build it.
This will be perfect. This is not what we agreed on.
You changed the specs.
You are responsible. Processing digital change order. Security signature validated. Archiving in secure matrix. Process complete. Don't fall for cheap construction quotes. They are the #1 trap. It looks like a great deal, but let's look closer. No soil test or curing. These are costly mistakes. Choose wisely. At first glance, a lower quote seems like a great deal, but beware of those hidden extras. They quickly stack up and overtake the honest bid. Always choose transparency. Small decisions can lead to huge bills. Welcome to the future of construction. We look forward to working with you. Are you planning a build? See the description for details.